Nearly a ton of medicated dental plaster was unloaded to make the casts. Properly mixed, it proved to be ideal, fast-drying, cool and flexible. And in the thick of it was Mihail, the Bulgarian-born sculptor who dreamt up the sleeping elephant extravaganza 4 years ago. The molds were peeled off in numbered pieces to be assembled later in the sculptor's studio. As Mihail needed impressions of both flanks, a truck was used to pull the elephant over without causing internal damage. The bull had been out for nearly 2 hours. The drug was wearing off. A final frenzied burst of plastering, then Mihail, the sculptor, posed victorious. What an indignity for a 50-year-old elephant. Some suffering was inevitable. The argument is that the cause justified it.